Now, here we move towards the electrochemistry, thermochemistry. Thermochemistry. Here we all of know that in some chemical reactions, heat is evolved, and some chemical reactions, the reactants required some heat to produce to proceed the reaction. Therefore, here it is obvious that the heat energy changes taking place during the course of chemical reactions. What amount of heat is absorbed or what amount of heat is given out depends upon how much amount of substances are taken or how much concentrations of the reactants are used. Therefore, in order to do the quantitative study of this fact, a special branch of chemistry is there, and that is known as thermochemistry. What is thermochemistry? It is defined as the branch of chemistry which deals with the study of heat energy changes during the course of chemical reaction. Here, the study of heat energy taking place is done quantitatively. Here, in case of thermochemistry, here, as explained earlier, we find two types of reactions: exothermic reaction and other one is endothermic reaction. Here, a reaction in which heat is evolved is known as exothermic reaction. In case of exothermic reaction, the delta H, the change in enthalpy, is always negative. Here, this negative sign indicates the heat is evolved during the course of chemical reaction. It means that the heat energy is lost by the chemical substances. And very opposite is that about the endothermic reaction. A reaction in which heat is absorbed is known as endothermic reaction, is known as endothermic reaction. Here in case of endothermic reaction, the delta H is positive. Again, this positive sign indicates the heat is supplied to the reactants in order to proceed the reaction. So, it is about the exothermic and endothermic reaction. Look at this. Here now we will see about the heat of reaction. We will see about